Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, today my buddy Chase brought down his Squarebody Chevy. Actually, it's not a Chevy, it's a GMC. And not only one, he brought two. So why don't we start with a small one? We have a sweet little RC car that's a square body. And he's packing an LS in it. That's awesome. But that's not what we're featuring. We're just messing around, having fun today. So, this is what I love. He uses this truck as a daily. He does flooring, laminate flooring, all that kind of stuff. And this truck is on the job site every week. He bought it about 3 years ago, uses it for work in his daily driver, and he also has another vehicle we're going to bring in and feature. It's got a 69 Beaumont that you guys are really going to like. Big lumpy cam, sounds awesome. Now we have a 79 GMC High Sierra half ton. 79, you can tell from the grill bezel that goes around that signal and a round headlight. We got a tube grill. It's a really cool color. It's not black, it's kind of a green. I don't quite know how you describe it. It's got a lot of metallic in it. It's got a brand new set of Falcon, what are these things? Wild Peak mud terrains, 33 by 1250 by 15s. There's no lift in this thing. It is on propane. Really nice, clean little truck to be using for work. Set of dual exhaust under it. And of course, he's got a big block in it. That's right, another short box with a big block. Let's get under the hood. So we have a 454 on propane. And yes, like I said, this is a work truck. It's not all pretty and show quality. He drives this thing. And it will be getting more love as he goes, because that's what he does to his vehicles, like everybody does. Got a couple of leaks. I can tell where he buys his batteries from, Gilbert's customer. Oh, right, I forgot. I gotta go on this side. It's got a sunroof. None of mine have sunroofs. That's kind of nice. Just a factory bench seat. Everything in it is stock. It still has the 2-knob radio. Love it. These are getting very, very hard to find. So he managed to snatch one up, and he's also got an 84 3/4 ton. There is talk of upgrading the diffs in this thing. It still has the half-ton diffs. It's got the turbo 350 tranny with a 203 transfer case, and his other truck has the Dana 60 out of a Dodge in it. It's got a corporate 14 bolt with a posi in the back. I think that'd be a great swap. Maybe we can talk him into a 9-inch lift in 40s too. But there you go. I just wanted to give you guys a quick feature on a little square body short box that actually gets used as a daily work truck. And he's also got a really nice lifted newer Chevy that I'm going to talk him into featuring. So next we'll get the Beaumont out one day though. But thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.